Hello, good people. Today we'll be installing a wall mount TV, and sit back and enjoy. Hi, Mr. Vann here. Today we are going to be installing a wall mounted TV for your flat screen, and it's very simple, and we're just going to show you some of the trade secrets. What do we got going on over here? Today I'll be installing a flat screen TV. This wall right here, that's the wall bracket. And these are some of my essential tools. I got a Phillips head, flat head, speed square. I got a little battery operated drill, some screws, a tape measure. And since this TV was already installed, you can see they always have a bracket on the back. The overall length of the wall is 12 feet, so half of that would be at the 6 feet mark. As we go up, is on this side, as you can see, of this plate. Now it'd be nice if the stud's here, but it doesn't really matter because of the overall length of the bracket. Okay, so I went ahead and talked to the customer and the homeowner, and this area is for a child. So we adjust the height of the TV, and we have this, if you can see right here, a little spot right here where the top of the TV was. We came here, we held it up, and this is where they want it. And so this is the area where we're gonna place the bracket. Now the next thing we're gonna do is trying to find the wooden studs. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so from the top of the TV to the top of the bracket is 4.5 inches. And from the top of the TV, from where the screw holder is going, it is roughly, let's see what that is, 5.25 inches. So what I did was measure 4.5 inches from the top one, and I know that this bracket is 24 inches long. I'm just going to find the center of it right here, and I'm going to put a pivot screw in that slot, and then when I move my hand, I'm going to put another screw there, and I'm going to level it out. Now, the first screw does not have to hit any wood at all. It's just basically there so I can find the level. Once I get it situated, then I will go ahead and find my wooden studs. Okay. So after close examination, I found out that the stud is on this side. All right, so it runs from here all the way up. So studs run 16 inches on center. So since the stud is there, I know that there's another one right there, and I know that there's another one 16 inches over there. So based on here, I know that there's a stud here, so I'm gonna put a screw there on my bracket up there. And then I'm gonna go 16 inches that way and find the other stud. All right, we got the bracket up. And also you can see that I put a screw here and a screw here because this is where the stud's at. I measured 16 inches over. It came over to this one right here, and it came to this one right here. So this is in there solid. All right, and let's mount the TV. Alright, and we just place the hooks on the bottom of it. Alright. And
nice level.
Nice and level. And then we're just gonna plug it in and bring that cord straight up from the bottom. And it is done.
When you've gotten what you want.
All right, so now we got it mounted and plugged in, and it's look good. Just wait for the cable guy, and this will be a fun little room for the child. All right, so you know I did that for family, and it's great being handy with the tools. So what is our takeaway on this project? Well, one of the things we know that in order to find a stud, if you can find the receptacle plate or the wall outlet or the cable inlet, you know that there's a stud on both sides. And from there, 16 inches on center, you can find the other stuff. Real easy, quick tip. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, this is what we do.
Just tell me what you want.